Welcome to another Simple Dad Snapchat tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to fast forward a video on Snapchat. Before moving on to the video, I would appreciate if you can let me know if this video is helpful or not. You can do this by hitting the thumbs up button or the thumbs down button. So fast forwarding a video is basically playing the video in a faster speed. So let me show you how to do this. First, open up your Snapchat app. Now record a new video in the app by tapping and holding the record button. Your video must be less than 10 seconds for the fast forward filter to be applied. Now once that's done, swipe left 6 times until you see the fast forward icon. The first fast forward is 2 times fast forward. If you swipe one more time, it'll fast forward 3 times. Whichever fast forward you choose, the filter will be applied and you can see a preview of your video where the video will be played quicker. Any sound in the video will be fast forwarded as well. Now you can add your text, effects and music and then post a snap to your friends. And that is how to fast forward a video on Snapchat. If this video gave you any value, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.